This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Meloset 3mg tablet is a medication used for managing jet lag in adults. It contains melatonin, which helps regulate sleep patterns. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for the management of jet lag, a condition characterized by sleep disturbances, fatigue, irritability, and other symptoms that occur after long-distance flights. By supplementing the body's natural melatonin levels, it facilitates a quicker adaptation to new time zones, promoting better sleep quality and overall well-being. How it works. Meloset 3mg tablet works by restoring the body's natural circadian rhythm, helping to synchronize sleep patterns and improve overall sleep quality. Directions for use. Take this medication as prescribed by your healthcare provider. It is typically recommended to swallow the tablet whole with a glass of water, without crushing or chewing it. The doctor will determine the appropriate dosage and duration based on individual health needs and conditions. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include headache and drowsiness. If these symptoms persist or worsen, it is important to consult a healthcare professional. Precautions and warnings. Before using this medication, individuals should inform their healthcare provider of any medical conditions, particularly liver or kidney issues, epilepsy, or autoimmune diseases. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, as well as children under 18, should avoid this medication due to potential risks. FAQs. 1. What is Meloset 3mg tablet used for? It is used to manage jet lag. 2. How does it work? It restores the sleep-wake cycle by supplementing melatonin. 3. What are the side effects? Common side effects include drowsiness and headache. 4. Is it safe to take daily? Short-term use is generally safe under medical supervision. 5. Can children use it? It is not recommended for those under 18. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below.